Hello, this is Steve K here today. How you doing? Hold on a minute. There we go. So, let's get one thing straight, huh? Mother Nature thinks she could get us, huh? She thinks she could create severe weather. Well, let me tell you something. Mother Nature don't know severe weather, unlike Steve K here today, and I will show you something to prove myself to you guys. Now give me 1 second, please. Yeah, I'm gonna do this instead with my, as you can see, my army hat. It means we're going hardcore on this. We're gonna show Mother Nature why you don't mess with me. I'm gonna show you what severe weather's supposed to look like. We're not going to do it on our home planet. No, that would be just too easy. You know what? We're going to do it on, let's see, what's better than that? You know, let's do it on Venus. There ain't no life on Venus, so there won't be no harm done to neither one of us. Now let me show you what I mean by severe weather, huh? So Mother Nature thinks she's got it when it comes to severe weather, huh? Let's see, where I need to find, so I can see what I was testing out before. That's not it. I'll find it, guys, don't worry. Well, that sure ain't it. This is taking a little longer than normal, I apologize. No, it's not it. That sure ain't it. Nope, that's not it either. Ah, well, I found it. Let's reset the planet first. Okay, let me show you what rain looks like on a normal daily basis here. That's rain, right? And a little hail. There's your simple rain. Now when it comes to cracking thunder, let me reset it.
Catch me if you...
Yeah, I'm not going to deal with no stupid ads. So Ed, shut up. Get out of here. I don't want nothing to do with you. Yeah, it looks kind of stupid. We're not going to do that one. Sorry about that. We got ads in here. I apologize. So let's get back to Mother Earth just for the heck of it. And no, we're not going to... we're not destroying us. This is just a test. Okay, here's rain. Ready? There's your rain. No problem. But when it comes to severe weather, let me show you something. Here. This is what a severe storm's supposed to look like that Mother Nature knows nothing of. Here. Mother Nature's fireworks and the tap of my fingers. There. You want a severe storm? Here. How's this for a severe storm, huh? There. How you like that for a severe storm? What? Not good enough? Fine. Here. You want a tornado? Sure. Here's a tornado for you. Here. You want a tornado? Here's a tornado for you. Taking longer than normal, but you see the destruction what a tornado does, which is fine. Takes longer than normal, but obviously the power of our thunder never fails us. No problem. There. As you see, I destroyed Earth by itself, but we're not using it as a metaphor, we're using it as an example. I used rain, I used thunder, and I used tornado. What else damage can I do to Earth after when I'm done with this stupid ad? Shut up. I don't care about your mission. I do apologize, my hat fell off. Let me grab my hat real quick. No one cares about that crap. Alright, now let's see. Oh yeah, what comes from the sky? Here, a meteor. Yeah, look how much damage a meteor does, huh? Alright, how about shooting a moon? Here, how about a whole bunch of moons? Here, how you like that, huh? There. I destroyed Earth with the moon. No problem. We're going to do one last one. No one lives on this Earth because this is a test subject planet. So right now, what I'm going to do right now is we're going to do the old-fashioned way. If I can find it. Here. This is what happens when you mess with the auras of the sun. If this thing would ever work. Here we go. Now. There. Goodbye, Earth. Boom. Yeah, there you go. By the way, another stupid ad. Shut up. I hate ads. They're boring me. Ads suck. Yeah, it advertises new games that ain't worth nothing, so whatever. There's gotta be a way to get around this. As soon as this boring ad ends, then I can tell you something else. And no, this is not the end of my run. Let's just put this in a different way. No, I'm not playing yours. Get out of here. No. Alright, now that we're officially done with that, well, let's see. There. Well, there you have it. If I could just get to our part. Where is it? So slow. Alright, let's pause it right there. Why does it get so... I do apologize. The sun sometimes is so slow. It gets ignorant. And whatever else to go with it. There goes the moon passing around the globe. Well, not anymore. Yeah, whatever. Well, there you have it, guys. Okay, why is the sun so slow? This gets so annoying, and you call this fast. I call this slow. Oops. I don't want to do no damage. I do apologize. Here we go. Mother Earth, there you go. See, Steve K here today did damage to Earth, and I showed you what the king of severe weather is. And that, but guess what, Mother Nature? You've been overridden by Steve K here today. How you like it? I'm the king of Mother Nature now. No. Not king of Mother Nature. No. I'm the king of weather. I just showed you what a severe storm looks like on Solar Smash, and it's something that Mother Nature will never do. She'll never outthrone me. So there you go, guys. I destroyed not Earth with people living on it. No. I did it because, you know, that's what I do. I showed you that I was the king of the weather as well. Well, there you go. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the Steve K's Notification Squad. And then as always, I will do another video a little later on, just for you guys. Something different. Please leave a like and comment. Subscribe to the Steve K's Notification Squad. And just as always, I will see you in the next video. And I am the king of weather control, damage control. And I just showed you the king of severe weather, which is Steve K here today. Okay, goodbye. Oh, wait. There. We'll end it with an explosion. There you go. Okay, goodbye. Where is it? Where did it go? Hang on, I'm having trouble here trying to find this thing. Where is it? Stop. Hello. Hold on, guys. I'm having issues here. This is becoming embarrassing. Oh, there you are.